We'll continue to get updates, but this is not looking good because for now, while we can see passengers who've been brought out with their luggage as well, all right, it appears that there could be more updates coming in on that. I'm not going to make any confirmation of casualty right now until it has come from the officials on the ground. But there are passengers who we can see who've been brought out, who have the luggage with them, many of them just taking a breather to sit. But it is feared that possibly some of the passengers could be trapped in this case. You can see that others are trying to find out if these passengers, if there's anyone who's been trapped. We could see some corpse also on the ground. And we are, of course, hoping against hope that there wouldn't be any casualty, any death in this case. Abhishek Mishra continues to be with us. Abhishek, there are some visuals coming in that hint at perhaps it could have turned out much worse than what we have information right now of. But what are the details? Because I want to understand if there are officials on the ground and enough in number for first aid to ensure the trapped are taken out. And we cannot waste any time on this. Abhishek.
Well, certainly, Pooja, and this is what the primary information is. The time is about 2:35 in the afternoon, as said by the PRO. They have given the helpline numbers for Lucknow, Gonda, and other stations of the Tinsukia division as well. But, yes, the topmost priority is the rescue, and that official number is not yet been provided. They are still trying to get all the passengers out from the situation. And at the moment, what can be said is that, providing aid is a major priority. But yes, the forces are there and they're trying to get the people, rescue as soon as possible. But yes, it remains to be seen the actual number which will be provided in a short while.
Stay on with me because there are reactions coming in from on the ground. I could notice there was a white shroud there on the tracks, but I wouldn't be making any confirmation unless it has come from the authorities there. We can see cops on the ground. Let's try and hear from the eyewitnesses, from the passengers. What are they saying?
ये 2:30 बजे के करीब में हादसा हुआ है। हाँ। चंडीगढ़ डिब्रूगढ़ एक्सप्रेस में गोंडा से करीब 20 किलोमीटर आगे है ये जी। बता रहे मनकापुर अभी यहाँ से 5 किलोमीटर है। हाँ। और 2 बोगियाँ तो एकदम से ऐसे पलट गई हैं। हाँ। एक बोगी ऐसे लगी है, बाकी तो आप देख ही सकते हैं पटरियों की क्या हाल है। पटरियाँ खिसक चुकी हैं यहाँ पे। कैजुअलिटी भी हो सकती है, अभी उसको मालूम नहीं है। लोग अपनी जान बचा करके कैसे कैसे निकल रहे हैं।
So you can see that some of the coaches are completely topsy-turvy. We are trying to get some details. I can see some smoke also, I think, in the background. But the details are not clear yet, the official confirmation. We can definitely see at least 4 to 5 coaches that have completely turned upside down. But it would be pertinent to mention here that we can see authorities, we can see cops on the ground. But we're waiting for an official statement if there are no trapped and no deaths in this case. But clearly more important will be to ensure these passengers safely reach their destinations, which means another side train that's usually then provided, and they'll have to clear the tracks as well. But of course, the big question is what happened? What happened? How did it happen? And a report from the driver, perhaps, could the locomotive pilot, I correct myself, could actually make and add to the details as well. I have an update coming in. The update is, according to the Superintendent of Police in Gonda, 1 passenger has died. 4 passengers have received serious injuries in this incident. Most of the passengers have already left the location. The coaches, of course, are still on the tracks. They are being checked as any precaution for the trapped passengers or any other detail that could surface. Because what would lead the train to derail with 5 to 6 coaches at least? Was this an accident? Was this any sort of tampering that was done on the tracks? All of this will have to be investigated because usually when a train has to pass through, and specifically on a busy stretch like this, there are checks and balances consistently done. And was it done this time? What happened? And we'll be hopeful that there will not be more casualties.